In the world of off-road power sports, things can happen fast, so you deserve something that can assist your needs with ease. That's why today, we're here to quickly talk with you about Garmin PowerSwitch. Now, Garmin PowerSwitch is a digital switch box providing centralized on-screen control over a vehicle's 12-volt accessories, ranging from but not limited to whip, rock, and fog lights, to your horn, to even the air compressor. Easily install up to 4 units directly to a vehicle's battery, and with 6 switch outputs each, that's 24 potential options of control. And check out this. It's right at your fingertips. Now, once installed, pair with your compatible Garmin device. Don't have one? Well, don't worry. Garmin PowerSwitch can also be used as a standalone item that can simply pair with your compatible smartphone via the Garmin PowerSwitch app. That's it for now. I know this one was short, so be sure to check out Garmin.com for more information on this product. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you around next time.